Hey guys, I want to share with you an exciting free tool that anybody that has their own website or their own landing page can benefit from. It's called Free Live Date Tool, and what it does, it allows you to put today's date on your website. Now all you have to do is add a little piece of code to your web page, and that will display today's date in different formats on your page. Now you don't have to go in there and change it. It will automatically update itself. Let me show you a practical example on how you can use this tool and just how easy it is. Now, if you've got your own website and hosting account, you know how frustrating it is to have to go back on each page and update the year in your copyright notice at the bottom of the page. And you want to do that because you don't want to make your page look like it's outdated. You know, when I visit a website and I see the copyright dated 2006, it makes me pause and think twice about whether or not I want to buy the product or use the service. I mean, who knows? Maybe the product is outdated or the company is not doing well. Believe it or not, people actually look at that. So to do that, you have to go in there and you have to manually update the year. Okay, now we just had a new year. It's now 2011. So I have to go in there and I have to change all of my pages to say 2011. Now I'm going to show you a way that you can do this automatically where you don't have to touch it once it's set. We just opened the Free Live Date tool. We'll go to the year only, click within the box, right-click, select Copy, then we'll open our HTML editor, scroll down to the copyright notice, and simply replace the year 2010 with our code. We'll right-click, select Paste, and that's all there is to it. Now let's render the HTML so we can see what our page looks like. We'll scroll down, and there it is. The copyright notice now says 2011. Now I don't have to ever change it again. Next year, on December 31st at the stroke of midnight, that will automatically update to 2012 and every year thereafter. Okay, let me show you some other ways that you can use this Free Live Date tool. Let's say you don't have your own website hosting account. Instead, you're using a hosted solution or an online web page builder. I'm going to show you how to use this Free Live Date tool using the iPodium's landing page system. Now, some web page builders like iPodium's don't allow you to use JavaScript, but with the Free Live Date tool, you can use the alternate iframe version. Let's use the full date with the day of the week included. We'll select the box, right-click, select Copy, open our iPodium's landing page publisher. We'll skip ahead to step 2 and scroll down to the edit boxes. Now I'm going to show you a little trick to make this really easy. We're going to put our cursor here, and we're going to type in my date. Then we'll switch to the HTML mode. This reveals all the HTML code. We'll search for the phrase my date. It's easy to find since it's right here at the top. We'll highlight it, right-click, and we'll paste in our live date code. Now we can switch back to text mode, and today's date is automatically added to the page. Now we can move things around a little bit. We'll move that down, and we can actually select this as an object, and then we can center it or right align it. For now, let's keep it right aligned, and we'll move this up a little bit. Now we'll just save changes, and we're done. Let's click here and view the page. And there it is. We've added today's date to our page, and that will update every day automatically without us having to do anything. By the way, since we're using the iPodium's landing page system, I want to point out that if you're using the personal URL Perl landing pages, you wouldn't need to use this live date tool. In addition to being able to personalize your page with your prospect's first and last name, you can also add the day and the date by simply typing in the day and date variables anywhere on your page. And you can format it like this. Let's save changes and take a look at what it looks like. We'll click the Perl link. Okay, there's the page, and there's the date formatted to look just how we wanted it to look. Again, it doesn't matter if you're using the iPodium's personalized URL Perl system or you're using this Free Live Date tool. It's really a good idea to put today's date on your pages. This makes you look professional and makes your pages look up to date. Thanks for watching. Good luck, and I'll talk to you again soon.